I'm going to explain another command that is basically ADC. ADC stands for addition with carry. For example, there is a need of adding the carry as well. For example, you are performing addition and in that addition you get a carry, and now you want to add that carry in your number or any other addition or any further processing. So you need to use the command ADC. Basically the syntax of that command is ADC space operand 1 and operand 2. This command will add the value of operand 1, operand 2 and the carry flag. For example, in that case, basically the addition will be something like that, SI will be added in DI and the answer will also add the carry flag. So the addition will be something like SI plus DI plus CF. So if that addition again generates a carry, so that carry flag will be replaced by the previous carry before that instruction. So this is the addition with carry. Now I'm moving forward to another instruction, that is basically SUB. SUB is short form of subtraction. So the syntax of subtraction command is SUB space operand 1 comma operand 2. This command is basically doing a subtraction. The subtraction in such a way that the content of operand 2 will be subtracted from operand 1 and then the answer will be stored at operand 1, whereas operand 2 remain unchanged. For example, if you see an example here, that SUB space DL comma AH. So the answer will be DL minus AH, and the answer of that that subtraction will be stored at DL. So again, this is 8-bit subtraction. There can be a subtraction of 16-bit as well. For example, here you can see that there is an example of 16-bit subtraction. For example, if I took the second example in which SUB BX comma AX is written, in that case the value of AX will be subtracted from BX and the answer will be stored at the location of BX or in the BX.